Hey everybody, welcome back to Tater's Woodshop. As you can see, I have made an elevated dog bowl. It's made out of some really nice maple, some really nice wood grain, really figured, some curl in it, real nice looking stuff. And the top is made out of walnut. I made this a couple days ago and went to edit it, get it on YouTube to give away to one of you guys as part of Tater's Woodshop's giveaway. And my camera had an update, and when I said yes, it erased the whole freaking SIM card. So I gotta do it all over. Joy, right? Oh boy. Anyway, but hey, it's good for a good cause. If you don't know, let me show you something here. The Wood Whisperer, Mark Spagnolo, has put this out there. It is Woodworkers Fighting Cancer. And he's put a little thing on his website, The Wood Whisperer, to, if you make this month by October 31st, and take some pictures and send to him, he will donate $5 per project towards cancer research. And if you do a video, which is what I do, he'll donate $10 per episode, whoever does this. So I encourage all the woodworkers like he has to get out there and make an elevated dog bowl, so we can donate some more money to cancer. I'm sure you, as well as I have, your lives have been touched by this terrible disease. My Aunt Sheila, hey Aunt Sheila, love you, has gone through some cancer. Thank the Lord, she's in remission right now, doing very well, so that's good news. And my mother-in-law Teresa, hello, love you too. She's gone through some things, and so far both of them are doing very well, so our prayers are with them. And also our prayers are for you and your family if you're going through this right now. I know it is such a tough time to go through, but just a little thing that we can do as woodworkers to give back to help fight cancer. So I'm going to start all over. We're going to do another one, and I'll give this one away to one of you lucky winners again. Again, all you got to do, hit the bell, subscribe. That's probably backwards. Doesn't matter. Subscribe, hit the bell, like, share, and comment. Again, commenting is what gets you entered into all the contests that I give away absolutely free. So, one more, the cool thing is, there's actually a whole cut list, material list, plans, dimensions, everything that Mark Wood Whisperer has put out there for us. So it's a real simple project to do. He makes it even easier because I have all the dimensions. So I hope you enjoy this build. Let's get on with it, and let's help fight cancer. All right, stick by. I'll show you how I did it. do this glue real quick. Got to see what we get. Glue on the table. All right, here we go. Step on 3. So there's going to be some water around. This is your use it anyway. Those messy ears. All right. Go this glue squeeze out. All right. Well, that's all there is to it. Let this dry. A couple hours here. And first of all, let's go off. Get ready for the next step. Get ready to use the correct screws going into the aprons of this. Be right back with you guys. Hey, rolls done. All right, guys, here we go. All right, well, everybody's favorite so I won't worry about all the details. But I guess start, right? I guess that's probably working. Alright guys, hey, got everything all sanded down to 120 grit, and I know everybody knows a little trick of getting these little parts glued together, but I'll share it real quick. Getting these little pieces all glued up sometimes can be a pain with the glue trying to set up, and especially with the Craig screw system, at least in my opinion. You try to get this thing glued up, and the apron is sliding all over because the glue, of course, isn't set up, and the parts are sliding back and forth, and you can't get it good pressure on it to get the screw in there. So what I do on these small parts is, and I know this has been shown a million times on YouTube and Woodworkers' little secrets, I guess, but get the CA glue on there with the wood glue, get it where you want, press it, hold it into place, and I'll hold that for about 30 seconds. Get the other leg where you want it, hold it into place, get the little glue squeeze out. The CA glue holds it where it won't go anywhere, while the wood glue will permanently hold that. And then I'll come back and get the Craig screws in place. Just so, to me it's a little easier. The apron and the legs aren't sliding all over. It's already up there, already together. So, and it just allows you to keep the legs totally on the table, the apron on the table. It's nice and flat surface. You're not trying to clamp that up, trying to screw a screw in there, and the glue's moving all over the place. I just find this a lot easier for me. Take it for what it's worth. Try it. Let me know what you think. But that's set up now. It's not going anywhere. Let that glue, I'll get that glue all wiped out of here, and we'll get on to the next one. Alright everybody, thanks for coming back here. As you've seen in the previous video, we got the base completely all done up here and put together with the Craig screws. Got the base completely done. And I'm going to throw a little design element into this, just make it a little fun. You know, the first one that actually lost all the video to it, as you know, stated before. But this is the first one. The second one, I got the top all ready to go. We're going to do a little design change, make it a little interesting. And why do the humans have to have fun and get all the best looking stuff, right? I'm just going to put a little design change in it. We're going to make it look like a dog bone, the top of it. We're going to get the circles cut, get the bone design cut out of it. We're going to make it live edge all the way around. So I think it's going to look cool. Hope you like it. We'll be done soon. Let's get on with it. There she is. Now we'll start seeing it. Here's some live edge character, as they say. Noodles. Alright, next step, got the bolts out, or mark out here, hook out, and just a good hole. And cut all the bolts. And we're going to get it all stand up now. All right, well, after getting this thing all sanded up, we are ready to put this bottom onto the top. And as probably 80 to 90% of the furniture I build, I use the Craig system with the screws and add some glue and just screw them in here. That's all there is to it. I got it all lined up where it needs to go. And we just work our way around and get these put into place. Keep this where it's supposed to go. And pretty good strong system with the glue. It holds it right there. And it's all done. Well, alright guys, well, we're gonna put some lacquer finish on this, and we're almost done with this dog bowl here. So here we go. Alright everybody, thanks for taking the time and pushing that button to watch this video. I really appreciate your time as always, and I hope you appreciated the build. They are the elevated dog bowls, as I've been talking about through the build, by Mark Spagnolo from the Wood Whisperer. He gave us these plans, easy to follow plans to go and follow and build. And just a quick recap, as you know, I explained before, I did this one, had a update on my camera and lost the whole stinking sim memory, so I had to redo another one. I was going to do two anyway, but Ended up making this one on the second time around. So I'm going to give away 2 of these at the Tater's Woodshop giveaway. And of course, this is all for cancer research. So I'm sure this terrible disease has touched your life as it has mine, with family members. And just a real quick shout out to my Aunt Sheila and my mother-in-law, Teresa. I love you guys both. And the good news is they're both, as of right now, in remission. They're doing great. Lord willing, everything, the cancer stays away and they will get on with their life. Everything's going well right now, so thank the Lord for that. And also, we'll just keep in prayers for everybody right now that's going through it. It's a terrible disease. And this is just our little way of, as woodworkers, as fighting cancer, that we can help hopefully someday rid this world of cancer. So real quick, I'll show you the 2 elevated dog bowls that I did. This one is maple bottom and walnut top. The bowls do come out. This is going to be the number 1 that I draw for. And this is number 2. I went a little bit different on the design and made it a little live edge, if you will. Made it look like a bone. I hope it looks like a bone to you guys. But this one actually is cherry legs, maple aprons, and the walnut top, and just try to dress it up a little bit looking like a bone. So this is going to be number 2 that I'm going to give away. So 2 elevated dog bowls given away to help fight cancer. And remember, hit the subscribe button, please. Hit the bell so you get all the notifications when I make a video. Like, share, and comment. Again, commenting on this video gets you entered to win one of these 2 bowls right here. And that's all you got to do to win. If you go look at the other videos, you can see exactly what happens. Within 150 miles, I'll deliver it personally to you. And 151 and over, I will ship it to you. And again, if you see my later videos, my last winner was in Texas, Hewitt, Texas, and I shipped that down to her. So that's all you got to do to win. So thanks again for watching. I really appreciate your guys' time. Help us fight cancer this month. I'm going to actually let this go to the 4th of November. I'm going to draw the 2 winners the 4th of November. So you got 2 weeks. Tell everyone you know about Tater's Woodshop. I would really appreciate it. And good luck to everybody. You got to the 4th. Subscribe, hit the bell, comment. That's what gets you entered. And good luck to everybody. I appreciate your time and have a great day.